Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome way to test your internal and external hip rotation. So if you sit yourself on a chair against a wall, what you want to do is sit yourself up nice and tall, like this, in this position with your legs at 90 degrees. Then start to rotate while keeping the knee in place. See, can you press your foot against the wall, and then turn the chair around and try the other side and see, do they feel the same. If you get like intense cramping in one side and nothing in the other, then that could be partial to your problems if you have any, or just a little bit of an imbalance that you're not aware of yet. So it is something to work on. The best way to work on it is just to keep on practicing that position and just work on creating tension in that position, keeping the knee in place, and just rotate out and see how far you can get without any sort of leaning or anything like that. The way to test your external rotation would be to use your chair again, set your foot on and get yourself down as low as you can, and see, can you get your hip all the way open in this position like that. So this is how you can test your external hip rotation as well. Make sure you don't put any pressure on your knee. When you do this, it should only be into your hip whenever you do it. And if you feel like you're doing it and you get stuck about here and can't get any further, then there's definitely a lot of work to do on your hips. And if you can sit down into that position a little bit, then it's a great stretch to actually work on as well. So that's how you test your internal hip rotation and your external hip rotation. If you struggle with either of those two movements, then I would recommend the simplistic mobility method to work on that and start to get everything aligned and your core switched on. Okay guys?